1999. Kargil. India fought a war on a mountain and could not see the other side of the mountain. The satellites that mapped the ridges were not Indian. India had to ask. 26 years later, India sees everything. From space, from the air, from the drone, the shield, the sword, the eye. 3 pillars, 1 war. The third pillar about to be revealed. A satellite passes overhead twice a day. For 20 minutes, India sees Pakistan. The other 23 hours, it is somewhere else. An aircraft stays up for 9 hours. Then it lands. A drone stays up for 40. Then it lands. A radar on a hill sees the hill, not the country behind it. No single eye is enough. So India did not build one. India built 3. Altitude 1, 500 kilometers up. The high eye, Cartosat-Three, the sharpest Indian eye ever flown. From orbit, it resolves a parked car, 25 centimeters on the ground, 10 times sharper than the first Cartosat. But clouds blind the optical eye. RISAT 2BR1, an X-band radar in orbit. Radar sees through cloud, day, night, monsoon. There is a third eye, EMISAT, launched April 1st, 2019. On board, a DRDO package called Kargil, names after India's ancient spy master. EMISAT does not take pictures. EMISAT listens. When a Pakistani radar lights up, EMISAT hears it, maps it, names it. A radar map of the adversary. 3 space eyes, optical, radar, signals. October 2024, India cleared a 4th. Space-based surveillance, Phase 3. 52 satellites. The largest space defense program India has ever built. But 52 birds still leave gaps. The picture from orbit is wide, not always close. For the close look, the aircraft, altitude 2, 40,000 feet. The wide eye, the Phalcon, a Russian airframe, an Israeli radar on its back. Range, 400 kilometers. India fields 3. DRDO built its own. Netra, the Sanskrit word for eye. Platform, the Embraer 145. Radar, an Indian, AESA. Reach, 240 kilometers. Balakot, 2019. A Netra watched the strike from inside Indian airspace. May 10th, 2025. Indian press reports an AWACS airborne the whole time the 11 Pakistani air bases burned. 3 Falcons, 3 Netras, 6 eyes in the sky. September 2024. India cleared 6 more. Netra Mark Two on the Airbus A321. By the end of the decade, 3 becomes 10. For the long stare, the drone, altitude 3. The patient eye, the drone does not blink, does not get tired, does not go home. The Heron, Israeli airframe, 20 years on Indian front lines, 36 hours in the air, 35,000 feet. January 2024. INS Jamuna, the Navy inducted Drishti 10. Drishti means vision. Built in Hyderabad, 70% Indian. October 2024. $3.5 billion. MQ-9B. Sea Guardian. Sky Guardian. 31 aircraft. 40,000 feet of ceiling. 40 hours of endurance. From India's coast, 1 drone can watch the Arabian Sea to the Strait of Hormuz. For nearly 2 days. Border, coast, ocean, 1 eye on each. But 3 drones, 3 aircraft, 52 satellites, without a single picture, are still 3 pieces. A picture must be made. The space eye sees from above. The air eye sees from the side. The drone eye stares without rest. But none of them fight. The picture they build flows down to a ground station, to a command bunker, and the picture meets the brain. The brain has a name, from the shield. Akashtia, the AI command network that ran the wall. What feeds the brain? The satellites, overhead. The Falcons and the Netras, at 40,000 feet. The Herons, the Drishtis, the MQ-9Bs, at every altitude in between. The radars on the hills, the aerostats on the borders. A picture the Army sees, the Air Force sees, the Navy sees, at the same time. No delay. This is the third pillar. Without the eye, the shield is blind. Without the eye, the sword is dumb. India built all three. Last episode, India's sword took out Pakistan's eye in the sky. Asab Arieh, at Bolari, May 10th, 2025. Pakistan's wide eye, gone in a single strike. But India's eye has no runway to bomb. In orbit, at 40,000 feet, at the end of a 40-hour patrol, all at once. No enemy could reach any of it. 3 videos told one story. The shield, the wall of fire that guarded the sky. The sword, 11 air bases in 10 hours. The eye that guided them both. The shield held, the sword cut. The eye watched. 3 pillars, 1 war. The trilogy is complete. This is the Terminal Intelligence Bureau. Like, share, and subscribe for more.